Guys, this is how you can refresh your Facebook. You need to visit the Play Store, then search for Facebook. Here is the Facebook app. You press update. Here it will start loading until it gets to 100%. Then you'll be able to open it. Sometimes you'll see that you don't have update. So when you don't have it, you need to visit the app. Then you press on it. Then go to app info. Click there. Then you look for storage and cache. It's here. Click there. Then you'll need to clear storage. They want you to clear storage or you clear cache. There you will have refreshed your Facebook. Thanks for watching.